How to buy Sei Crypto. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you would get several markets like decentralized exchanges or centralized exchanges. Depending on that, you can purchase it from anywhere. Now in this video, we will see how you can purchase it from Binance. And Binance is a centralized exchange. If you want to purchase it from any other exchange, you can simply check it out on the CoinGecko. On CoinGecko, you can see all the list of available markets for Sei. Like if we move forward in this particular list, we will be able to see certain DEX as well, like you can purchase it from Osmosis as well. But for this video, we will see how you can purchase it for Binance. For this, just simply open up your Binance, then you can use any of your crypto in order to purchase it. When you click on this option of trade on your Binance, you can either go onto the spot market and purchase Sei using your USDT. In case if you have some other crypto, then you can simply go on this option of convert and block trade and just wait for it to load. After that, you can select the crypto that you have in your wallet, and at the bottom select Sei and then type the amount that you want to convert, and at the bottom you would be able to see the amount of Sei that you will be receiving from that particular crypto, and this way you would be able to purchase Sei. Now if you want to purchase it from spot market, then just simply open up spot market, and over here you can search for Sei, and here you can see different pairs for Sei, like you can purchase it using USDT, BTC, FDUSD, USDC, TUSD, BNB and TRY. You can select any of the pair, like let's select this one, and after that we can go a little lower, and over here you can see that you can either set up limit order or you can purchase it at the market price. And after that, just simply type the amount of Sei that you are looking to purchase using USDT and click on this option of buy, and you would be able to purchase it. But if you want to purchase it at the market price, simply select this option of market. Otherwise, you can set limit order. And this is how you purchase Sei Crypto. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.